Hello, this is Corey with ActionBoxBreaks.com. Right now we're about to do ID number 0524, which is 2016 Panini Immaculate Baseball 1-box break. Random divisions, 6 total spots. Each spot gets you all 5 teams in the division that you randomly will be given. Any multiplayer cards will go to the majority owner. Unless it's even, then we will go ahead and random to those on the card. If for some reason there's a card in here that is not specified by group break checklist or on the card as a specific team, we will look into it a little bit and it will be random to all in the break if we can't figure it out. Here we go. We're going to roll the dice to see how many times. Actually, roll the dice odd or even. Top is odd number, bottom is even. Odd with a 1, we'll do top box. This one we'll do in the next few days sometime. Here's our box. Now I'm going to roll both die to see how many times we're going to run the names through the randomizer. We'll see what we got. Ooh, 6 and 6. 12 times through the randomizer. Good luck on this divisional break of Immaculate, guys. And thanks as always for getting in. 12 times. Hey, what's up, Shane? You're about to watch the newer Immaculate Collection Baseball. Let's see if we can pull some nastiness. Here we go. Only 6 spots, 6 divisions, 5 teams. Here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here we go. Lucky number 12. John up top, Richard holding down the bottom couple. The other Richard, Jason, and K-Box all in between. Copy and add to the divisional MLB spreadsheet. And that's how it shakes out. So it looks like AL East, John, AL Central, Richard, AL West, Jason, NL East, K-Box, NL Central, and NL West, Richard. Oh, yeah, Richard did one of his come in, get some spots. He's planning to get some big patches or something in there, so I don't think he wants to give you one of his spots, Shane. All right, give just a minute. I'll look at my divisional spreadsheet. I know most of them, but some of them I forget. Some of the central stuff. All right, you guys ready to RIP this? Let's do it. Oops. Be nice if I use the right side of it, huh? I love Immaculate. I mean, sometimes these boxes are kind of weak, but they're still really nice cards. And then there's boxes that are just awesome. And I've had, over the years, I've had some really good luck with Immaculate Baseball. I can't remember if you were in here when I was doing that or not, Jeff, but I think you were. I was getting 101s and nasty logos and all kinds of nastiness. All right, here we go. Jeff, if you want to help me on the divisions, in case I can't think of one, that'd be cool, bro. Oh yeah, you did see some. Yeah, I was getting those like laundry tags and all kinds of stuff. I'm just gonna kind of put this box up here to hide it because it's a little more fun like that. If it stays up here. All right. Good luck, good luck. Good luck, good luck. All right, for the NL Central Cubs, Mr. Chris Bryant, number 89 of 99. Jeff says, go Cubs. That guy's not so bad. Come on, Mr. Christopher Bryant. Chris Bryant, NL Central. That's Richard. 2000. I actually got to use the other top loaders on this one. I thought this was like a 130. I don't know. Not a bad name to start off the box, I can tell you that. All right, next up we have for the NL East Mets, NL East K-Box, Travis Darnaud, 18 of only 25, big orangeness. Big orange jersey there. That's the Mets again. NL East. That's Kevin Boxberger, a.k.a. K-Box. Let me get this Chris Bryant. This loser Cub right here. Put him in something too. Next up, we have, oh my lord, I'm telling you, I tell you what, I pull some fun little things out of this stuff. So, for the AL Central, how about a rookie button? 2 of 10, Max Kepler. Button sauce. This is what I hit. Buttons and tags. Sweet. 2 of 10, Max Kepler. Minnesota Twins. The Twinkies, AL Central, and Richard. It's a sweet card. Congrats, Richard. Tags and buttons and 101s, oh my. That's what I like to see. That's very cool. Button cards are sweet. Telling you, I love this Immaculate stuff. 2 of 10 button sauce. Alright, next up we have, well, I think this is the guy we just got, right? Yeah. Max Kepler, rookie for the Twins, 2 pinstripe jumbo, 35 of 99. Twins card. That's Richard again. The Twinkies doing work here. AL Central, Richard. Same guy. And we have here nice little RPA, an actual RPA. Alvarez, True Color Rookie Patch Auto, 74 of 99. The big stars, the RPA is what you're looking for one of the big cards. Baltimore Orioles. That, of course, is the AL East. AL East, John M. Johnny Boy pulls the RPA. Nice. You'll learn, John, that in like Immaculate National Treasures, you can have like a rookie autograph. It's like numbered to 10, and it won't be worth as much as this version because the RPA is like the main one that everybody collects and wants the most. So that's pretty cool. I honestly don't know if what that guy's worth or if he's good right now, but he's a rookie, so we'll see. That's the RPA. We had an RPA and a button. One more card left. One more card left. Normally the last card isn't so bad. And, oh! How about Diamond Inscriptions? Mr. Albert Pujols. 14 of 25. That's sick. That is pretty sweet. Pujols, 14 of 25 on card Diamond Inscriptions. That goes to the AL West and Jason. Nice card. I know John Boy likes that. And that is the first box break. Not so bad. Pujols, an RPA, and a button. And a base card was even Chris Bryant. Boxes can get better, but this is not so bad. And that is the break, guys. Yeah, Jeff. Still got another one of these boxes. It's divisional. There's only 6 spots. $33.95. Got it at a decent price, so. I wonder what's in this one. Go ahead and recap again. Here, John. Show you my my Trout and Jason's Pujols. There's a couple of cards. So Pujols, the jumbo pinstripe of Kepler, the button to 10 Kepler rookie, the little Chris Bryant Wimpy Cub, the RPA at a 99 Alvarez, and the Darnod. That's the break, guys.